ASVAB Confirmation Test. If x/5 plus 6 equals -14, then x equals -100. Jerry walked a dog 6:40 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. one day. If he was paid at the rate of $6 per hour, how much did he earn that day? $5.90. The pet store had 6 puppies selling for $104 each and 12 kittens selling for $104 each and 12 kittens selling for $24 each. Today only 2 puppies and 8 kittens were left. In dollar terms, what was the ratio of sales puppies to kittens? 13:3. Erratically most nearly means irregularly. $125 goes on sale for 20% off. $100. $80 goes on sale for 25% off. $60. What term is used to describe the sliding motion within the layers of an object when a force is applied to it? Shearing stress. -6x6. 36. If 60 pounds of force must be applied to the valve for it to open, how much upward force must push rod X apply for the valve to open? 40 pounds. Contentious most nearly means quarrelsome. Which of the objects has the most structural strength? Hexagon. -6x2. -12. Fervently most nearly means passionately. Before being painted, a concrete play area was marked off into squares and then into triangles. For the square shown, what is the area of the triangular part labeled XYZ? 16 sq fort. Peruse most nearly means to study. If block 1 goes up 10 feet, then block 2 will go up less than 10 feet. If a baker doubles recipe that calls 6 2/3 cups, how much is its total? 13 1/3. Emphasize most nearly means accentuate. Inept most nearly means bungling. In a balanced aquatic ecosystem, which of the following would have the greatest population? Plankton. At what altitude is atmospheric pressure the greatest? Sea level. -25 to 8. -33. A woman is looking for a bigger square office. She finds an office. She finds an office twice the area of her current office. If the perimeter of her current office 88 feet, 968 feet. If the perimeter of a square garden is 84 feet, what is the area of the garden? For 41 sqft. The definition of a vacuum is the absence of matter. Together, 2 people earn $28,000. One earns $2,000 more than the other. How much is the smaller income? $28,000-2000 equals $26,000. $26,000/2000 equals $13,000. The price of salmon at a fish market is $5.40 per pound. This is 150% its cost at a supermarket. How much would it cost per pound at the supermarket? $3.60. Amy just bought 2 boxes. The first box is square, with each side measuring 10 units, and is 4 units high. The second box is rectangular and has twice the volume of the square box. If the height of the second box is 5 units, and the width is 10 units, what is the length of the second box? 16 units. Perilous most nearly means full of danger or risk. Gear A is the driving gear. If all the teeth are sheared off of gear B, which gears will turn? Gear A. When scientists measure a liquid's resistance to flow, they are measuring the liquid's density. How many atoms are in H2O? 3 atoms. What is 5x times 3x caret 2-5? 15x caret 3-25x. What is 3a caret 2 plus a caret 2 added to a plus 6? 5a caret 2 plus a plus 6. Adage most nearly means proverb. If x equals x6, the x equals 3. If x equals 2, and y equals -3, then xy caret 2. 18. Any astronomical body that revolves around a larger body is called a satellite. 5 people working 8 hours days assemble 400 toys in a 5-day work week. What is the average number of toys assembled per hour, per person? 2. Solve for the following equation: dB equals CD. D equals B/C. A space probe is coasting through space at a steady speed of 1,000 feet per second. The booster rocket fires for 1/2 second, so the probe is now traveling at 5,000 feet per second. What acceleration did the rocket deliver? 8,000 feet per second caret 2. Which is a renewable resource? Copper. A pizza is cut into 8 equal pieces. A person who eats 1/2 of one piece eats what fraction of the pizza? 1/16. Which element does not contain any neutrons? Hydrogen. What are the factors of x caret 2 plus 4x plus 3? X plus 3, x plus 1. Devout most nearly means pious. Simplify 3/5x plus x. 8/5x. How many feet of chain fence are necessary to enclose a dog pen that is square and has an area of 64 square feet? 32. What is the area of a parallelogram if its length is x plus 4 and its height is x plus 3? X caret 2 plus 7x plus 12. The chemical formula for an ionic compound represents the simplest ratio of the compound positive ions. What is the length of the diagonal of a rectangle with a base of 4 and an altitude of 3? 25. What is the sum of 3x caret 3 dash 2x plus 8, 2x caret 2 plus 5x, and x caret 3 plus 2x caret 2 dash 3x 3? For x caret 3 plus 4x caret 2 plus 5. A ball is attached to one end of a rod AB, and the other end is attached to a vertical rotating axle as shown. The joint AB contains a pin so that the ball can move up and down. If the axle BC rotates faster, angle X will decrease. The filament of an electric bulb is made of tungsten.